Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so in today's video, I have for you guys the start of all of the holiday fiasco you will see on this channel with my Dollar Tree haul. So if you're new here, I always do my Dollar Tree hauls to start it off. I do have some from last year that you can definitely go check out. The Dollar Tree a lot of the time does some repeats, although I don't see that too much surprisingly for Christmas, but I do have that DIY video that you can check out. So I will have all of that linked down below in my description in my Christmas videos playlist, along with some cool holiday covers. There will also be some of those coming this year, so if you want to leave some recommendations and give me some ideas, I'd appreciate that too. So if you enjoy this content, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing, because like I said, there is a lot more of this to come. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So now, Christmas. So one of the signs I got, they had a couple that were in this style. I think it was really cute. It says Christmas Tree Farm. Super cute. I think it's adorable how it's like cedar pie, first Bruce, cut your own, like all of the detailing is very pretty, and even the glitter, like normally it's all like falling off and like super like splotchy, but no, it looks really, it shimmers. I'm trying to make sure the camera is able to capture that shimmer. And it is a hanging sign, so they have a couple similar to these in the holiday section, so definitely recommend checking that out. Another one of the signs there, they have a lot of DIY-able signs from like some wreaths, some Rudolphs, some Santas. I do a really cool DIY with that Rudolph head that they have, so again, check out that previous video, because like I said, there are repeats. But this year, I got this really cute little house, which you already know what I might do with that. Gingerbread house. But yeah, they have a couple. It was weird because they had two that were almost the exact same, except this one has the 3D windows that pop out, but the other one has flat windows and a 3D door with some trees. So it's interesting how they kind of flip them around, but all of them have this cool little like snow top roof, and again a hanging sign. So the back is blank. That's nice. And yeah, but they have this is one of their many DIY-able signs for the holidays. And then, I don't know if you'd count these as signs or not. They're like wooden pieces. I found them and I kind of had to get a couple because honestly, they were way too cute not to pass up. And I was kind of surprised they had these cute little chalkboard houses. So this is just some fabric right here, but then right here is the little chalkboard piece. And I think that is absolutely adorable. They're like little houses. Of course, they don't line up because the roofs and all that, but like everything seems pretty high quality. Like it's not peeling off. Some of it is like, okay, there's like a tiny imperfection here and there, but again, it's Dollar Tree. What do you expect? But besides that, for $1.25, I say you're definitely getting your money's worth with these, because like you'll find these at Home Goods for like what, $8, $10, $12. So for $1.25, you're definitely getting your dollar's worth. Well, $1.25's worth, that is. While we're on the topic of wooden items, Dollar Tree has a bunch, and I mean like a bunch of stuff. Like I had to really think about like, oh, what am I gonna pick? Which one do I want? So the first thing I'll show you guys are these cute little wood-shaped stars they have. So I think I love these because they don't have holes in them like the ornaments, because they do have those wooden ornaments and like Christmas trees, bells, all that. So I'm happy they have these just normal stars. They also have them in like little sticker sheets. So some of them will have glitter, some of them are plain, kind of similar to those Valentine's hearts, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it comes in a 14 pack. And again, they're all really nicely cut. And they're pretty thick too. Like they're not like the flimsy little like thin piece of wood that's gonna snap like the minute it falls to the floor. So again, Dollar Tree increasing their quality. We love to see that. Another thing that they had that I was really surprised they had it, were these 3D DIY craft kits. So that is super cute. There's no directions on how to put it together, but like there's a little glitter Christmas tree. They have a couple of little trees. They have a little wooden plank. So like with it, you would slide them in and it'd make you would slide it into the little bottom piece here after, like, you know, DIYing it, you know, decking it out and all that, whether you want to do glitter. It's a little weird how it's just the one glitter tree and then everything else isn't painted. But again, it leaves room for you to paint it yourself, and then, like I said, you slide it into that bottom piece, and then boom, you have a cute little Xmas scene. So that's really cute, especially for like your kids, if you want that on Christmas Eve or even Christmas Day. Super cute to have. Some other stuff, they had these little wooden shapes. So I got the 8-pack of snowmen. They also had them in these adorable little angels. So I honestly think that is super cute. I only saw them in snowmen and angels. I've still yet to check the Dollar Tree website, which is probably something I should do. I'll link it down below in the description too, if you want to check it out. But yeah, there's probably a lot more on the website. Similarly, in their crafter score section, they had a 24 count wooden beads. So Dollar Tree is getting a lot more detailed wooden items, which I am super excited about, because usually for my DIYers who wanted wooden beads, you'd have to buy like a wooden sign or something that had a bunch of wooden beads attached, and it'd be like, oh, here's 8 wooden beads, and then like a wooden sign that I don't need. So we're happy to see that coming in this expanded crafter square section, that's for sure. Some more cool stuff that you'll see around Dollar Tree that isn't necessarily specifically in the Christmas section, but is Christmas-y, is a lot of their glassware items. So, for example, they have some very, very pretty glasses. I don't know if you'd count these as wine glasses. It just says goblet on them, which, I mean, these are very pretty. And they look really nice for, you know, table setup Christmas. If you need, you know, dishware, glassware, all that, Dollar Tree's definitely got you. So satisfying, I love that. But yeah, they do have lots of these in many different styles, and a couple of them are tinted glass, so definitely check that out along with their plates and bowls. And then even their candle holders are looking really nice. Like, look at these beautiful red and green candle holders. That is just stunning, especially with the gold on the bottom. Like, I'm sorry, this screams Christmas with the red, green, and gold. Beautiful. And again, all glass. And this is just a candle holder. You could probably melt a candle into here to light it. Even good for DIYable Christmas gifts. Already given the DIY ideas, and it's not even a DIY video. And then some more stuff you can do is get their glass candles. Now these are the mason jar candles. I always talk about these when I get them, because I always get them because I really like them. With the pumpkin spice one, they had like a cookie one. I love that one because I love the smell of like those cookies, like the sugar cookies. This one is cranberry sage. So I've been using that one, as you can kind of tell. But a good thing to know with these, when you're done, because it's more than just a candle. It's a cute little mason jar. You just clean it out and boom. It sucks that the label kind of leaves some residue, but like, I always save these, because all of a sudden I get these cute little mason jars. And normally, if you want mason jars, you have to go to Walmart and buy them in a huge pack for a lot of money. But here, you're getting a candle and a mason jar for $1.25. The convenience. That's what you want. And another thing that isn't in the Christmas section that is good for Christmas are their frames. I just love their frames and how much of a better quality they're getting. Again, this is glass. I know, because I've had it break on me multiple times from accidentally leaving it on the floor or like dropping it. But it is a very, very pretty golden frame. This is an 8x10. They have started to come out with a lot bigger frames. Like, I have some that are just like bigger, like they won't fit in the camera frame. Like, that's how big they are. So they are coming out with a lot of bigger ones. So it's perfect if you want to, you know, frame some cute little family photos or even give them as gifts. I think it is absolutely perfect and beautiful. So make sure to check those out too. Alright, so this is the last that I have for Christmas that is actually in the Christmas section. So first off, they have a lot of ornaments. Most of them are plastic. For example, there's this cute little snowman one that is plastic, not glass, so you know if you hang it too close to the bottom of the tree and it falls, it is not going to break. I'm smacking this thing, it's not going to break. The worst it's going to do is do a little dent, but it pops back out. So that is perfect. They have them in snowmen. I think there's a Santa one. They have them in just like circles, like just the normal sphere, a small pack. They have huge ones. They have some that are like, they're open that you could fill in. They have even the ones that look like little terrariums. So make sure to check them out because they have a lot of cute, interesting ornaments. Even their normal ornaments are super cute. So again, make sure you check that out. And some more things that they have. Oh, it was from their Craft Your Square section that they had just for Christmas. Their ornament filler, which you can also use it as glitter. But like, look at these colors. Look at that shimmer. That is just stunning and beautiful. It's so pretty. Like, it caught my eye and I was like, I don't need it, but I want it. I don't need it, but I want it. And I just took it because it was just, I don't even know what I'm going to use this for, but I will find a way to use it. It is just pretty. Again, I can just use it like what it says and just use it as ornament filler. But they have a couple of different kinds of these. So they have some that are like little candy canes, some that just of many different colors of it. They even just have the normal packs of glitter that they have in the Craft Your Square section. So this is very good and very cute for ornament filler if you also want to do that with your kids. Lots of good, you know, family things to do together at Dollar Tree. Lots of easy, cheap ideas. And the last things I have are their tiny Christmas trees, because Dollar Tree always has all their Christmas Village stuff, which they do have a lot of that. So if you are into that, and maybe you have little ones so you don't want the ceramic ones, they are plastic so they will not break as easily. They might break if you like slam it on the floor, but you know, if your little one accidentally knocks it over, it's not going to shatter into a million pieces. So here are some of their Christmas trees. They have some 3-packs of some very big ones. Well, they're not like that big, but this is specifically their winter village. I think it's called Cobblestone Corners. So they have these, like just the normal green flocked ones. They have white ones that are also flocked. I believe there's also gold ones that are flocked. I don't know, they have a couple flocked, unflocked, but just a little 3-pack of variety of sizes, you know, big, medium, tiny. And the same thing they have, but it is from Craft Your Square, their little Christmas trees. This is a 6-pack of their medium size. They have some that are bigger. They actually have one that lights up. So I was kind of looking at that and I was like, maybe, but I don't need it. I already have too much stuff for Christmas too. But yes, they have them in even a smaller size too. And then they have them in silver. They have them in a flocked pattern. These are flocked, but they're kind of poorly flocked. I don't know. Like, the flocked part is on the very tip, so from far away, it looks perfectly fine and flocked, but then close up, it just looks like a normal tree. It's weird. It's like an optical illusion. But honestly, I think they are super duper duper cute. And I was looking at these and kind of comparing them to Michael's because I went to Michael's not too long ago. And, you know, if you compare it to that, this is kind of worth it because they have all their miniature stuff. It's like $8 for 5 tiny Christmas trees. And it's like, yeah, I'm going to pay the $1.25. I'm good. Thank you. And that is all I have for you guys today. There might be a part 2. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking about it. But for sure there will be some DIY videos coming soon. So if you want to see how I use all this stuff for my DIYs, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. And comment down below what your favorite item was. I really like those cute little Christmas trees. They're just so tiny and cute. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. I have a New Year's goal to hit 400. We hit 300 by my birthday back in October, which I was really happy about. So thank you guys so much for that. And oh, that's right, one more thing. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I have started up a small business called Artsy Creations. And so what I do is I sell some of my DIY items, and I also sell paintings and crochet plushies. So I can do custom paintings. So here's a little galaxy. Here's a Disney castle that I had painted. So those are both for sale, along with some plushies coming out in my holiday my holiday collection. So that'll either be coming out either tomorrow or the day before. I'm not entirely sure when this video is coming out, but for I make a lot of cute little crochet plushies. So there's this cow, an axolotl, little baby octopi, super cute. And I even have a couple of cute Christmas items too. Eek. So I have a cute little Christmas pickle, a Christmas tree, and some little stockings. So these are super cute. And I take DM orders. I will link my Instagram down below in the description. That's where you can see a lot more of the products I have. I'll put a little picture right here too of just some stock that I have. And yeah, if you want a custom order too, those are also open. And I believe if you order now, they will ship by Christmas. It's over a month in advance, so it should ship by Christmas. And yeah, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, again, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, consider subscribing, and yeah, again, let me know down below what your favorite item was. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to have fun crafting.